Anyone buying just about anything online goes through a process. They go through a series of stages. The first stage is awareness. This is when they become aware of a need or a want. They realize their current reality does not fulfill some desire of theirs in some way. They decide to look for a solution to their problem. The second stage is research or consideration. The search for a solution begins. The person starts doing research online, reading web pages, watching videos. They are trying to know what either a product or a service can solve their problem. Evaluation of alternatives. At this stage, they are looking at several brands that offer services or products they are looking for. They more or less know what set of features they are looking for and are trying to make the best buying decision by comparing all of the alternatives. The fourth stage is purchase. They buy the product or service. Evaluation does not end with the purchase. The customer may still not be sure they have made the right decision. If for some reason they feel they made a mistake in buying the product, they can simply return it. Leading brands put in a lot of time and effort in trying to minimize return rates. This is the post-purchase stage. There's yet another class of searchers who may have previously purchased a brand and are very happy with what they have. For some reason, they have loyalty towards that particular brand and are not open to switching their loyalties. We'll call them brand loyalists. The keywords used in each of the stages are very different and distinct from each other. The following table illustrates the kind of keywords that can be used in each of the 5 stages for flat screen TVs. Awareness, TVs, flat screen TV, plasma TV, and so on. Someone typing these keywords is looking for more information. They do not know what exactly they want to buy at this stage. They are only looking to more clearly get to know exactly what they want. Consideration or research. 32 flat screen TV, 32-inch flat screen TV, and so on. At this stage, they have a better idea of what they want, but they are still lacking clarity. They are looking for more information that can help them get to know what exactly they should buy. Evaluation of alternatives. Best flat screen TV, flat screen TV reviews, best flat screen TV brands, and so on. Now, they know what kind of TV they want, but want specific information about some specific features they are interested in and are open to some advice about what brand to buy. Purchase. Buy 32-inch LED TV, buy 32-inch LCD TV, and so on. They are now ready to buy. Post-purchase. LED TV repair, plasma TV repair, TV repairman, and so on. These folks have already purchased a TV and are now looking to fix problems with their sets. Brand loyalists. Panasonic LED TV 50-inch, Panasonic 3D LED TV, Apple TV box, and so on. These folks have made up their mind on the brand they want to buy. They might have bought a product previously from the company that impressed them mightily. They now want to buy only that brand and no other. These people may even skip the other stages. If they want a TV, they buy their favorite brand. They do not research any other brands. Why does this stuff matter? Because the kind of keywords you target directly affects how much revenue you can generate from your Amazon affiliate site. You do not want to be a mere information provider. You want to be a conduit to Amazon. Get people who are ready to buy to visit your site and send them to Amazon. That's the purpose of your Amazon affiliate site. You do not want to target a keyword like flat screen TV on your Amazon affiliate site. People typing in such keywords are looking for informational content and are not ready to buy yet. If you target such keywords, you will need to create a monstrous amount of informational content. People visiting your site will read all of the content and then leave your site to buy from someone else, and you will lose the commissions. You do not want that to happen. If your affiliate site is to make money, it should be designed to provide just the right amount of information that's needed for folks to make an intelligent buying decision. And then click on your affiliate link, go to Amazon, and buy. You want to target searchers who are in stages 3 and 4. You do not ever want to target searchers who are in stages 1 and 2. Most of the pages on your site should be focused on stage 3 and stage 4 keywords. You can have a few pages about stage 1 and stage 2 keywords on your site as well, but those keywords and those pages are not meant to earn you money, but only provide relevant information and make your site more useful to your audience. You would want to note that almost all of the money your Amazon affiliate site will make will come only from stage 3 and stage 4 keywords and from brand loyalists. If you have pages targeting such keywords on your site, you cannot expect to make money from stage 1 and stage 2 keywords.